It is well established that high potential entrepreneurship that drives jobs at scale is born out of a culture of innovation and risk taking. Entrepreneurship also breeds job creators as against job seekers, a crucial and fundamental aspect of India's economic growth. India is the world's largest democracy and its economy has been growing rapidly over the past few decades. As a country, it also holds the second largest native population behind China. Not surprisingly, India has produced a number of billionaire entrepreneurs. Although there are still many who live in poverty due to India's high level of income inequality, the country has maintained a long tradition of entrepreneurship and wealth creation dating back to the early 20th century. While there are some complicating factors to the relationship between entrepreneurship, economic growth, development and welfare discussed as such, the increase in economic growth from entrepreneurship is considerable. Entrepreneurial efforts have forced new social, political and economic changes, holding out the promise for new innovations that will address intractable social problems such as climate change and structural racism. Entrepreneurs are important to market economies because they can act as the wheels of economic growth of the country. By creating new products and services, they will stimulate new employment, which ultimately results in the acceleration of economic development. So, public policy that encourages and supports an entrepreneurship should be considered important for economic growth. A large number of new jobs and opportunities are created by entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship creates a huge amount of entry-level jobs that are very much important to turn unskilled job holders into skilled ones. It also prepares and provides experienced workers to large industries. The increase in the total employment of a country largely depends on the rise of entrepreneurship. So, the role of entrepreneurship in creating new job opportunities is huge. By bringing innovation to every aspect of businesses, entrepreneurial ventures enhance production utilizing the existing resources in the most effective ways. Entrepreneurs develop new markets by introducing new and improved products, services and technology. Through the right practices of research and development, entrepreneurs bring new innovation that opens the door of new ventures, markets, products and technology. Entrepreneurs have a role to play in solving problems that existing products and technologies have not yet solved. So, by producing new products and services or bringing innovation to existing products and services, entrepreneurship has the potential to improve people's lives. They change or break the traditions of cultures of society and reduce the dependency on obsolete methods, systems and technologies. Basically, entrepreneurs are the pioneer of bringing new technologies and systems that ultimately bring changes to society. These changes are associated with improved lifestyle, generous thinking, better morale and higher economic choice. In this way, social changes gradually impact national and global changes. So, the importance of social entrepreneurship must be appreciated. Along with producing new business ideas and thinking out of the box, entrepreneurs also promote research and development. They cultivate their ideas, shape them into a new form and turn them into a successful endeavor. Entrepreneurs are a special kind of people. They are always working to discover new ideas and improve the existing ones. But their impact extends beyond their own companies and ventures. Innovation and industry is accelerated through the combined action of entrepreneurs. They can motivate each other, share ideas and inspiration and share planning to establish new industries. The change of the existing industrial climate opens the doors for others at the same time. Therefore, we see that the importance of entrepreneurship to the economy is multifunctional. Therefore, supporting and promoting entrepreneurship can have a positive impact on the country's economy and even the existing businesses. And social entrepreneurship increases the likelihood of finding innovation solutions to social changes faced by communities, around the world. World Entrepreneurship Day recognizes innovation and global advancement of entrepreneurship and leadership. The World Entrepreneurship Day celebrates to recognize and appreciate entrepreneurs all around the world. It marks the achievements and efforts of entrepreneurs who give their blood and sweat to their businesses and show an ecosystem of employers and employees. With digitization and globalization, entrepreneurial ecosystems are rapidly evolving. In less than a decade, India has become the leading nation for startups and entrepreneurs, having crossed the mark of 100 unicorns, with 100 more expected in the next 3 years. Total established and recognized startups in India stand at more than 73,000 today. Besides India, Brazil, Mexico, Singapore, Indonesia and others are creating thriving startup ecosystems. The Indian startup ecosystem skyrocketed in 2021 to become the third largest globally, with a 3x increase in total funding over 2020. To celebrate and recognize the Indian startup system and entrepreneurs today, on World Entrepreneurship Day, IIMT College of Management along with Institutions Innovation Council is organizing a session on enhancing entrepreneurial quotient. We hope that the students take maximum knowledge from the session and put their best foot forward on the journey to entrepreneurship.